Final segment with Gerald Celente. Let's go to Nikki in Ohio. Nikki, quick question. We got to move fast. Welcome.
Hi there. It's great to be on the show with you guys. You guys have the excellent show. I'm always excited to hear both of you speaking. First, I wanted to ask a question about the PPFA award, if you know about the Margaret Sanger Award.
I know Margaret Sanger was a top eugenicist and best friends with Adolf Hitler. The Rockefellers gave her the money, and she said blacks were subhuman, but we have to pose as liberals so we can set up death centers in their neighborhoods, and so the liberals love it and offer their children up to the state. But I'm not familiar with this award.
Well, this is interesting. Along with
I'll tell you what, I'm going to come back to you because this isn't for Gerald Celente. We don't stay there, Nikki. We don't screen the calls, but then when we go to you and it's not for the guest, you know what? I'm just going to go to calls. I know a lot of these are for Gerald, but with the time we have left, Gerald, finish up with other trends, other predictions because current events form future trends. In the last 3 minutes, tell us what else we should be on the lookout for. By the way, Gerald Celente is in Fall of the Republic. Go ahead.
What people should be aware of now is that anything can happen, and this is a time for survival strategies. So prepare for the worst. You always can move back from that. And we're very concerned about the probabilities of bank holidays, dollar devaluation, and those are our major concerns right now. With the holidays coming up again, rein in spending. Don't spend an extra penny that you don't have to. And again, don't support anything corporate that you don't have to. The major trends we're looking at coming along the line is this trend we call selective technology, learning how to do things simply. A great story, what's going on in India right now, and this is how you can start making money. They're using technology to help the poorest people. So they have cell phones, for example, that only cost $20, refrigerators that cost $70, little stoves that cost $43, high technology. I'm saying this because people looking for opportunities start looking for these kind of things to start selling in the States because the standard of living is going to continue to decline. Necessity is the mother of invention. So we're going to see a lot of inventing opportunities to start providing new products and services to a declining economy. These are the ways to look. Also, in the old areas of old cities, you're going to start seeing them rebirth. So people that are looking for investment opportunities in real estate, as we are up here in Kingston, New York, you start looking for those beautiful old cities that haven't been destroyed through urban renewal. Because young people are going to be looking for places to live. They're going to start moving back into these areas. So those are areas to consider.
By the way, that's already starting. We're already seeing a flood of people getting out of the cities into the country.
Right, and especially these great old small towns. So those are the areas to look at, a rebuilding of community. And that old saying, use it up, wear it out, make it do without. Start buying quality products, everything American, grow your own food, become more self-sustaining. The products that you have on Prison Planet and the other places around, those are the things to start looking into. Heal yourself health care. For this nation to get into shape and for people to survive what's coming ahead, you need to be healthy spiritually, emotionally, and physically.
And in closing, in the minute and a half we have left, I hope people will visit trendsresearch.com and check out all your other great work, and also check you out and follow the Republic that just was released yesterday. In closing, when will the tyranny peak? When do you think we're going to come out of it? 2012, 2013?
We don't see us coming out of this for a long time economically. This is a long decline. The only reason we got out of the last ones, Alex, go back to the dot-com bust of 2000. $5 trillion is wiped out of the market. The way they got it out was they lowered interest rates to 46-year lows. Now they've done it again. They created the credit crisis and the real estate bubble. Now they've created the bailout bubble. What we're concerned about is that after the bailout bubble blows up, then they take you to war. So we're telling people to be on the alert. Don't buy into the lies, and fight the tyranny ahead that's coming ahead by being knowledgeable. So we're they're going to start also more and more pitting us against other people. Like they've taught us how to hate the Iranians, how to hate Muslims. Beware of this kind of fear tactic. You know, the big lie works better than the little lie. So the big lie, watch out for that one. Hitler used the big lie. They're going to use the big lie once again.
All right. Gerald Celente, great job. Let me say bye to you during the break. We'll come back, take calls, blitz through some news. Stay with us. I'm Alex Jones. Let me tell you a little bit about one of our great sponsors, HomeGain.com. This is the place to get you started buying or selling a home, finding a realtor, and getting any real estate questions answered. Go to HomeGain.com and see what I'm talking about. All you need to do is type in your home address, and you will get an instant free estimate of your home's value online. This is a great way to be able to monitor the value of your home. And again, it's absolutely free. There are tons of tools to help you. For instance, if you want to remodel your home, go to HomeGain.com. Use their Home Sale Maximizer to help you determine which home improvements can most increase your home's value before you put it on the market. For 10 years, these folks have been helping home sellers and buyers. Visit their link at Infowars.com. Look for Max, the orange Home Gain Gorilla, to help you with any real estate needs you might have. You'll love this site. It's HomeGain.com, HomeGain.com. Check them out today.